What if you could travel through time? Not just days or centuries, but 1 billion years into the future. What would Earth look like? Would humanity still exist, or fade into the silence of the cosmos? In this video, what happens if you travel 1 billion years into the future? We explore a breathtaking what-if scenario, blending science, imagination, and the unthinkable scale of time. Prepare for a journey across future technology, space exploration, and the cosmic timeline that defines our existence. Imagine stepping into a time machine, your hand trembling as you set the dial. Plus 1 billion years. In an instant, the world around you dissolves. Mountains crumble. Oceans vanish. Stars collapse into darkness. You're no longer bound by time. You're witnessing the slow heartbeat of the universe itself. This isn't just science fiction. It's grounded in real astrophysics, geology, and future predictions. Insights from experts who study the fate of planets and stars. Welcome to 10,000 AD. Humanity has conquered disease, expanded lifespan, and reached the stars. But even in paradise, there's chaos. The Deca-Millennium bug. A digital collapse where computers fail to read years with 5 digits. Cultures have merged, skin tones and languages have blended. Humanity stands united, not by borders, but by survival and evolution. "20,000 years later, no language you know survives. Words become whispers in history." By 50,000 years, the next ice age begins. Glaciers swallow cities. Oceans freeze. Niagara Falls vanishes into Lake Erie. The Earth slows. 1 extra second added to every day. Civilizations crumble beneath the weight of cold and time. At 250,000 years, a new volcanic island rises near Hawaii. LoIhi, born of molten fire. But by 500,000 years, Catastrophe strikes. A kilometer-wide asteroid slams into Earth. A super-volcano erupts. The sky turns red. Ash clouds block the sun. The air becomes poison. Humanity survives. Not on Earth, but among the stars. On Mars, Titan, or the moons of Jupiter, our descendants watch their home fade into history. Millions of years pass. Continents drift like ships on a dark ocean. Africa splits apart, creating a vast new sea. 50 million years later, it collides with Eurasia, forming mountains higher than Everest. Mars gains rings as its moon Phobos shatters. Earth reforms into a supercontinent, Pangea Ultima, dry, vast, and storm-ridden. But even this world will not last forever. Hundreds of millions of years later, a gamma ray burst scorches the atmosphere. Earth's ozone layer disappears. The moon drifts away. The sun grows brighter, crueler. The oceans begin to boil. Carbon dioxide fades. Plants die. Oxygen vanishes. Life gasps for its final breath. The earth falls silent. And now, you've arrived. 1 billion years into the future. The planet is no longer blue. It's burnt gold, dry and lifeless. The oceans are gone. Only vapor lingers at the poles. You step from your time machine. No wind, no birds, no sound. The last trace of humanity is dust beneath your feet. But among the stars, somewhere, our descendants live. Travelers beyond time. So, is time travel possible? Maybe not yet. But imagining it reveals something deeper. How fragile life truly is. And how extraordinary our brief existence can be. In the grand cosmic timeline, we are a spark, a heartbeat, in an infinite ocean of time. That's the distant future, and what happens next is a story for another What If You Travel 1 billion years into the future.